A court ruling yesterday has blocked the Biden administration's vaccine mandate for healthcare workers in 10 states, including Iowa. KIMT News 3's Alex Jurgens has the details on the ruling and what it means moving forward. He joins us live tonight in Mason City. Alex?
Yeah, Katie, in addition to Iowa, Kansas, Missouri, and South Dakota are a few other states where this mandate will be blocked. Now, here at the Good Shepherd Health Center in Mason City, I reached out to their CEO, Ian Stockburger, and asked him about what this ruling could mean going forward for him and his staff here at Good Shepherd. Over the last near 2 years, Good Shepherd CEO Ian Stockburger has seen several outbreaks of COVID-19. Now, more than 80% of staff and 99% of residents are vaccinated. He still maintains his belief that vaccination is critical.
In today's age and with the labor market, what it is, every employee counts very much. So every employee that gets vaccinated is one less thing we have to worry about because we value everybody that comes to work these days.
Now, with yesterday's order, he feels that it could prolong a problem.
If the mandate came and went in January as planned, we could move on to the next thing. This kind of really delays what I would call the inevitable. So if we're not facing this problem now, we're certainly probably going to be facing this problem next spring.
Judge Matthew Shelp's ruling said states challenging the mandate, including Iowa, were likely to succeed, as the Centers of Medicare and Medicaid Services lacked the authority to enforce the requirement. Political analyst Race Hardy notes of an argument made during yesterday's ruling that the mandate could have an impact on already understaffed care homes and medical facilities.
Even though it isn't necessarily a legal argument, it's a de facto argument that people will quit because they're not going to get the mandate. They're not going to get vaccinated.
If the case does go to the Supreme Court, he believes it could be decided on one of two things.
It's going to be overreach by the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or it's going to be, yes, this is going to be okay, but it must also include, for the unvaccinated, consistent and continual testing.
And I also reached out to Mercy One North Iowa for their thoughts on yesterday's ruling. And in a statement, they say that they're going to comply with all state and federal laws and regulations. Live in Mason City, Alex Jurgens, KIMT News 3.
All right, thanks, Alex. Governor Kim Reynolds applauds the court's decision, saying that medical providers that have been on the front lines of this pandemic saving lives deserve the freedom and ability to make their own informed healthcare decisions.